Welcome to our Comino Island boat tour. We visited this stunning island on a private boat tour and enjoyed every moment of it. Comino is truly one of the must-visit places for swimming in Europe, with its crystal clear waters and breathtaking scenery. In this video, we'll show you the best spots and experiences from our tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more incredible travel adventures. Comino is renowned for its crystal clear waters, especially at the Blue Lagoon, which draws visitors from around the world. The island's unspoiled natural beauty, with its rugged landscapes and pristine beaches, makes it a popular destination for nature lovers. Its secluded atmosphere, combined with excellent snorkeling and diving opportunities, contributes to its fame as a Mediterranean paradise. To visit Comino, we first drove to Hondoke Bay in Cala village, where we would take a boat tour in Gozo. Hondoke Bay is a beautiful spot with white sands and clear waters, perfect for a quick swim before the boat ride. Joy Water Sports offers a variety of water sports and also tours to Comino Island, making it easy to plan your day. A direct boat trip to Comino is €10, but they also offer group tours for €15, which include a 20-minute cave tour. We decided to take a private tour just for us, to explore all the hidden gems of the island at our own pace. It cost €120 for 2 people, with a comfortable speedboat and an experienced captain, Matthew Gresh. The journey to Comino took around 5 minutes at top speed, making it a thrilling start to our adventure. Our first stop was Hidden Creek, a secret gem of the island known for its tranquil atmosphere. Hidden Creek was a peaceful retreat where we enjoyed the serenity of the island. With its crystal clear waters, it was impossible to resist a quick jump in to refresh ourselves before continuing our tour. Then we headed to St. Nicholas Bay, a small, secluded spot on Comino with calm waters perfect for swimming. St. Nicholas Bay is surrounded by limestone cliffs and crystal clear water, making it a favorite among divers. Many tour boats gather here, creating a lively atmosphere as visitors explore the bay. After that, we continued our tour by visiting Santa Maria Bay, one of the most popular spots on the island. Santa Maria Bay is known for its pristine waters and relaxing ambience, and it features the only sandy beach on the island. There's an abandoned hotel building nearby, a reminder of the island's quieter past. You'll also find a police station, a lifeguard station, and a small chapel, which add to the unique charm of this bay. It's a busy area with lots of boats and people, but the beautiful scenery makes it worth the visit. A short ride away, we arrived at a picturesque sea window, a natural rock formation. This reminded us of the famous Azure window on Gozo, which tragically collapsed a few years ago. After taking in the stunning views, we visited a very small cave nearby, adding another peaceful spot to our adventure. Then we headed to Santa Maria Caves, passing by stunning rock formations that surrounded us. Finally, we arrived at the Santa Maria Caves, where another family was enjoying the fresh waters. With excitement, we dived inside the cave to explore its hidden wonders. Inside the cave, we discovered a small inland lagoon, a peaceful and mysterious spot. We then learned that the caves were famously featured in the movie The Count of Monte Cristo. I had watched that movie a long time ago and started to recall the familiar scenes from those caves. After visiting the first cave, we jumped over to a neighboring one. The second cave offered an incredible view of the outside, as if framed by nature itself. When you look outside, the scenery feels almost dreamlike, with sunlight filtering through the blue waters. Then, we headed to another set of twin caves. Inside both, there wasn't much to see, but when you look outside, the magical view of the Elephant Rock takes your breath away. Afterward, we made our way to the Elephant Rock itself, a striking rock formation that truly looks like an elephant's head dipping into the sea. From there, we found another sea window located at the backside of the island. This area is much less popular, and it's rare to see other boat tours there, giving us a moment of solitude. The back of the island also features small cave formations, adding more charm to the peaceful setting. Then Captain Gresh told us that we would have a choppy ride due to the rough sea conditions. For around 5 minutes, we had an adventurous ride as we turned around the island. On the way, we saw another landmark, St. Mary's Tower, standing tall on a hill. Soon after, we arrived at the Crystal Lagoon, a stunning part of the island with caves and crystal clear waters. First, we visited a cave where the captain mentioned there was a sandy beach hidden inside. We saw other boat tours nearby, with people enjoying the refreshing, transparent waters. At one point, we visited an interesting cave that resembled the cenotes in Mexico. Like the cenotes, this cave had a hole at the top, allowing sunlight to pour in beautifully. As we explored, we noticed many more boat tours arriving in the area. And we visited one last cave, completing our scenic ride around Comino Island. Finally, we headed to the famous Blue Lagoon. As we got closer to the bay, we saw ferries, yachts, and speedboats packed tightly together. Suddenly, I was startled to spot some cruise ships as well. The area was crowded with thousands of people, and there was nowhere left to sit on the rocks. We had the option to stop there, but we decided to stay on the boat for a better view. My wife couldn't resist and took a quick jump into the crystal clear waters. There were plenty of food stalls along the rocks, offering quick snacks for the visitors. When you arrive, it's easy to understand why it's such a popular place. The Blue Lagoon is a pristine paradise with crystal clear turquoise waters. We thoroughly enjoyed our tour, and it was definitely worth paying €120 for a private tour to explore the island at our own pace. It was an unforgettable ride, filled with memorable scenery and excitement. The best time to visit Comino is during the late spring and early summer, from May to June, when the weather is warm but not too hot, and the crowds are still manageable. During this period, the island's natural beauty is at its peak, and the waters of the Blue Lagoon are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The summer months, especially July and August, can be quite crowded, so visiting in the shoulder season offers a more relaxed experience. Thanks for watching our Comino Island boat tour. If you're looking for a quality tour to the island, you can find our captain's contact details in the description below. Believe me, if you visit Malta, you won't want to miss this incredible experience exploring the island's hidden gems. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel adventures. See you in the next one.